I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my PlayStation 5 controller mount. The reason why I brought this controller mount is I wanted a dedicated place to put the controller for my PS5. A lot of times it ends up within the couch cushions, on the floor, or in a drawer. And I didn't like the bulky TV stand under the TV, so I liked the slim and crisp, clean look of having it mounted to the wall. Another thing that I like is that the controller mount is the same color as the controller, so it blends in seamlessly and it just looks so pristine, and it was easy to put up on the wall. It comes with 3M adhesive strips, which were easy to just attach to the wall. You can use a leveler to make sure that it is straight, but it's not absolutely necessary. So I found it easy to put up on the wall, and that's my point of view.